Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix cannot uninstall Avast free antivirus. Type Avast uninstall utility in browser search bar. Click Avast uninstall utility. Click Avast clear.exe. Avast clear.exe file is downloaded. Uninstallation requires start Windows with safe mode. Click Start button, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Click Troubleshoot. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F4 key. Open File Explorer, Download folder. Click to open Avast Clear. Click Run. Click Uninstall. Click Restart Computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.